Modu. I heard from Mungwe Koshi, Enugu Zike, with the North local government area of Enugu State.
A man, 54 years of age, from Enugu Zike in Enugu State. His name is Chukwudi Odo. Chukwudi met a Filipino young woman sometimes in 2017 online. They developed a social relationship, and then by November last year, 2019, he managed to lure the young woman, an accountant by profession, all the way from Manila in Philippines. The young lady flew a total of 23 hours before she got down here in Abuja, linking up with Chukwudi in what was clearly an apparent but an unsuccessful search for love. Chukwudi eventually took the lady down to his village, where he kept her incommunicado for nearly 6 months. She was malhandled, maltreated, physically and sexually abused, until police operatives from Unity Police Station in Enugu, led by the DPO Superintendent Isiga, acting on intelligence, eventually led an operation and rescued the lady. As at the time she was rescued, she was already in a very bad shape physically. Police operatives rushed her to hospital, the teaching hospital in Enugu, where she was admitted for about 11 days. Today, the young lady is hale and hearty. We've established contact with the Philippine embassy here in Abuja, preparatory to the young lady be reunited with her family. Chukwudi is here. Chukwudi, put on your mask and stand up there.
Philippine Modu. I heard from Mungwe Koshi, Enugu Zike, with the North local government area of Enugu State. I'm also a social media practitioner, a farmer also as well. I
Tell them what you studied, the school you attended.
I read journalism at the Institute of Journalism, then in Enugu, and also attended the Institute of Management and Technology, where I studied technical education. Yeah. I met Irene Panis in the Facebook on March 8, 2017. I added her as AIN. She responded, and then we became friends in the Facebook. Then we became so familiar with each other. We were in touch on a regular basis. From 2017 to 2019, before even 2017, we have agreed to marry each other. And then she was working in Dubai at that time. And then she told me to have patience with her until 2019, so that she will come and live with me in Nigeria, or I have an option to come in to live with her in her home in the Philippines. But I told her that for now, that I will not leave my country to another country. And then I told her also to my financial handicap. And being that we are in touch with one another despite distance, that we should try and save some money that will help us to sustain us.
Hold your
To sustain us. Because I have a big farm. I kept a big farm so that when she comes, we can be sustaining from the farm. When the little change he came with, I must have gotten exhausted. And that is exactly how we have been living. We have been living comfortably from that November 22nd, 2019, when she flew to Nigeria through the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport. I even wrote to the embassy of the Philippines, acknowledging them of the arrival of Irene. So it happened that I have some minor land dispute with the people of Nekuno, where I bought a land, where I'm residing, and of which she herself knows very well.
Go to the point, man. Go to the point.
I'm going to the point. I have to give a preamble. I have to give a preamble to the press.
We don't have that time.
Okay, if you don't have the time, okay, let's go. So what happened is that she had constipation, and then it was COVID-19. So yes.
Did you marry her?
come and
Yes,
stand this way so that when you are asking, she will stand there.
Okay.
Anybody that wants to ask questions have to be here so that.
Did you pay bride price to anybody?
No.
Did you arrange any court wedding?
Did
Did you wed in the court or in the church or in the mosque?
We are on the process.
No. Yes
No,
or no?
No.
Good.
Are you married? No, before now. Do you have a family?
I'm married and separated.
You have children?
No.
Are you divorced?
I separated.
Which one is separated?
Other than that, you're still married now.
Divorce. It's me. It was the kind of people who took me to the Unity Division.
That's what?
That I don't know what they are alleging that this my woman is sick, and that they came to my house on 1st of June, telling me to take her to hospital. Then I just interrogated, how did you people get to know this? They started beating me on that 1st of June, and I wanted to go on 2nd of June to take her to hospital for pregnancy test on 2nd of June.
Have you hold on. When she came, her visa, her ticket, how many days was she supposed to have spent? How many? Just straight to the point.
She was granted 1 month visa.
Okay, she was granted 1 month visa, but her ticket was for how many days?
Her ticket, she wants for now.
No, you should mention your woman.
She was granted a 1 month visa, but she was supposed to stay for
Me and the family that
Which family?
Which
the family
family?
of Irene.
Do you know her family?
Yes, through the social media.
drop the
serious?
mic. Drop the mic.
And wait, I
Wait,
still want to ask you.
No, you